So this is our REIT that we launched earlier this year. The REIT is paying 5% annually, distributions on the 10th of the month. We just sent distributions a couple days ago. So we had all of our REIT investors were excited to get their distributions for the month of May that landed in their checking account June 10th. The REIT only holds cash flowing stabilized assets. So we're buying properties that have been renovated. They're either newly built, newly renovated. They're built to last for a 10 to 20 year period, and they're generating cash flow. That's why the REIT's already paying 5% distributions. The REIT only invests in multifamily assets. So that's important right now because we see some headlines out there about commercial real estate and some of the struggles with commercial real estate. And if you go below the headline and look at the actual detail, in commercial real estate, the area that's struggling are offices. It isn't multifamily, definitely is not industrial. Some cases it's retail, but multifamily remains really strong. And the REIT only invests in multifamily. All the properties are in high growth Sunbelt and Mountain West areas, and you can begin investing with $1,000, and then you can do $100 increments afterward with auto invest feature. So the REIT is something we're really excited about. Like I said, a little commercial break plug for the REIT. Heather, I want to ask you, because you talk to a lot of REIT investors, what are some of the reasons why so many people are investing in the REIT right now?
Well, I think this covers exactly that. It's already cash flowing. There's an immediate return, but there's also long-term growth. So you kind of get the benefit of both. But I did want to say about the auto invest, that's been one of the most popular options that are new investors that are starting with just that 1,000 and want to continue to build it slowly at their pace. This has been really popular and really exciting.
I love that. Yeah, Bart, what do you think?
I think another big thing for the REIT is that it's available to non-accredited investors. So, I mean, so much of real estate investing is held for the, pretty wealthy, extremely wealthy, and the REIT gives access to those people who normally wouldn't be able to invest in real estate.
Yeah, so $1,000 minimum, and then after that, you can set up an auto invest at $100, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
We also have big investors in the REIT.
Yeah.
So we have some folks who have put a lot of money there that are accredited and multi-accredited. We love it that we welcome everybody. And Heather made a good point. It's paying 5% cash distributions, but you also, as an investor, get 80% of the upside as those assets go up in value. So if you think about, I could buy an apartment building myself and do all the work, or I can invest with us, don't have to do any of the work, and I'll get 80% of the upside. 20% goes to us because we're doing the work. It's a pretty compelling way to put some money to work for you because of the upside. And you have to understand what we're talking about today is that housing is in demand. It's going to continue to be in demand. We're in an interesting time right now, and it remains to be in demand. And as things level out, as inflation, we saw good numbers today. Inflation came down, and I think we'll continue to see that. And then as interest rates go out of the elevated area that they're in now, and they come back to a normal area, then housing comes right back. And when it comes to resell. But we don't have to sell right now, and that's the important thing. Is these properties are cash flowing, and we can just continue to see the cash flow come in while we watch the market.